Hear that sound? That's thunder. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Stupid tripod. Can't even stay up. It's not even that bumpy. Alright. Quit complaining about garbage. What material could I use? That is thin as fine days, but there we go. This is echoey in here. At least I didn't find whatever that was living in here yet. But should we repaint these, or should we keep them the nasty white? I'm leaning towards repainting them. Or we'll color matching it. Or I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. But oh, what is that chrome to? So that's all I have for today. But let's catch you guys tomorrow. This part, ooh, pretty echoey. So probably need to do some detonating for this truck. Ooh. Thank goodness I'm doing it. There's my seat. Let's hope we don't find a little buddy that was in there. Alright guys, yeah, welcome back to another video. They're hungry, they won't stop, leave me alone. Neighbors across the field are doing stuff, but today, this week is part 2 restoring this 1972 F-250. But yeah, make sure everybody watch the whole video because, yeah, I hate ants. What is the easier way to kill ants? Stupid things. What do they do here? But yeah, watch to the end of the video. Watch all the way because I got some stuff to say. Yeah. Let's just say it affects me. But yeah, guys. But today I can't weld. Rain. I hate these ants. So somebody needs to get rid of them. But yeah, take the headliner off first, and after that, we'll deal when it comes. So, see you guys there. Oh, bro, cadabra. There we go. I got that all welded in. This new piece there, nice and flush. Also, got that piece in. Just need to do the seam sealer there, but I used my foot to get in here on a new panel. Just need to here and a bit there and that side, but I think tomorrow we'll be able to paint it. You're like, oh, do you talk about some stuff on? Yes, there's a bit of hole on the firewall, but what Captain Key from the Pillar Autumn said, we gotta do it when the fenders are off. Yeah, it'll be easier to do the fender off, and it's part of the cab mounts. But yeah, I ran out of time for the day. But whoa, this truck improved. See what I mean about these stupid frame things? This thing is bumped up on the frame. This ain't factory. I looked under it, but it looks like somebody cut it then welded onto it. It's horrible. Yeah. But I am improving Oh, also huge shout out to 69 Racer 67. Yeah, he commented on my videos. Well, we might have a future build. We might be doing a trade, but I'm not certain. I'm doing negotiating, still talking to him. I'm praying it happens, but what he recommended, he's helping me with welding and stuff. Also, our house, I'm staying with everybody who is watching my channel, but he suggested use the grinding wheel. Yeah, using the grinding wheel, going one direction. It works pretty well, and it saves on your discs. But I can't tell if it's, yeah, it's going to rain probably, but yeah, I think tomorrow we can paint it, maybe put the chrome things in, and put the gas tank back in. Sadly, we couldn't remove the dent. Sadly, we couldn't do anything. I was removing that so I can see if I could wire in a new, lights here for the, off of that light. But, yeah. Yep, it's sprinkling. I hate this state. Abracadabra, Mother Nature said, rain for as far as my 12 weeks you can see. Today's the first day of summer, like I said. And this is miserable. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright. It is Tuesday now, or Wednesday now. Couldn't film yesterday. It was a nice day, but yeah, I had doing other stuff, but yeah, it's crappy out. What? You may notice difference in quality of the video. Yeah. Filming on the Galaxy S7. Very junky, but other phone just died and broke, so until then, you guys get experience his beauty. But yeah, I don't know how much I have left to, record since his battery dies quick, but I'm gonna go knock out this area, get that panel done, hopefully get there, and cut this up and hopefully put panels there, but hopefully now have enough storage to bump that out. I went to some super old website. I found a vinyl sheet just like this. So we're gonna reupholster this the factory style. So put the front end together and probably vacuum it up and see how far that we go. Alright, this the next day. Got everything all welded up. Yeah. Looking alright, but yeah. I think next step before the last parts is to vacuum up it. You can see it's a bit dirty, a bit full of mouse nests. So why not vacuum it before? Yes, paint. We get to paint it today. Oh. Okay. Oh boy, this phone is really shaky. I thought my last phone was shaky. I apologize. I try with the shakiness, but I really try my best to record. Remember, I have no fancy equipment to do anything. I just have the cheapest phone I could find. So, yeah. I ain't complaining, but yeah. Got that panel all in. Still need to grind and make it all flat, but got that panel in too. And that's my least favorite panel. It was all messed up. Oh well. Still need to do that crimp warner. Do a little bit there. And this side is done. Then we do that. But yeah, then we get the dent out. I gotta show you the repulsor I found for this. Oh, sorry. Maybe try to do something for the ceiling, but yeah. Next week we probably will be doing Shrek, same normal fangs. So I'm dying. So I'll see everybody tomorrow. All right. Above you. Whoops. Alright, today we're using tractor paint, Rust-Oleum black paint. So, gonna be arguments, but that I should use red paint. Nah, I'll pass on that. But yeah, but we're putting carpet in the future. Oh, not just now, but today, after painting, we'll put in the gas tank, and that'll probably be about it. There are some panels that I need to buy the proper panels, like the front cab mount box is gone. The outer rocker panel, it's gone. Shoot. Anyways, I took the wrong paint. I'll be back. I'm blind. Whoopsies. That was purple. Great. I lost a bit. Great. Stupid bit for the screwdriver there. Here's a different screwdriver. The bit's right there. I did have this one set aside, but well, I like to use the cap to collect the paint. Get it a good mix. There we go. Put the cap right next to you guys. Get my paintbrush. El Junko. Oh boy. Problem with this Rust-Oleum paint is the paintbrush is like garbage immediately after. So let's go paint this beauty. All done painting, 2 coats, 3. Both sides. I'm gonna let it all dry. Then I'm gonna put the new gas tank in. Yes, I said brand new, brand spanking new. Before putting the gas tank in, pretty nice. Pick this one. Oh, got more paint on my hands. Wonderful, but this one, before and after. Boy, I hate the state, but whoops. So, here it is, guys. This, oh my gosh. Sorry all about that. I just got mad because the stupid state decided to pee. Ah, the paint even ain't dry and it's dripping in here. Found out why that rusted away, but here's the new seat cover. I mean, brand new vinyl seat. The brand new factory. The guy said it might be a bit old, so I gotta go put it on. Whoa, brand new seat here. Huge shout out to myself. No, this ain't a brand new seat. Just a seat cover, but yeah, you can see I have a bit anger issues, but learning, but yeah, last thing to do is the outro, and I think it'll be quite heartwarming. So see you then. Well, this is all rust from this gas tank here. Maybe that will cause some issues on why it doesn't run well. I don't know. Attempt number 2, guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I apologize about the, you know, the camera work and bad quality, but this is the 3rd video phone I'm filming on today, or this week. The last one I tried to do outro, it completely died. This is some old Motorola phone, but I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but we did it. We got the 72 F250 all welded up for this inside. Just need to do stuff like inner fenders, the fenders. If anyone knows where I can get some cheap inner fenders and stuff, let me know in the comment section below. I tried Facebook, but I couldn't find any. But I want to have a huge shout out to Whiskey Dents. This guy is a complete legend. He's my favorite YouTuber. Just last week, and there was this guy that was doing these hurtful comments. It's like, I'm just young. I deleted them, but you guys got to check him out, guys, please. What a legend he is. Last weekend, he helped me through them. Man, I was feeling a little bit down, depressed and stuff, but I think he cured it for me. I'm not feeling no depression anymore, but this guy helped me out so much. We got a surprise coming in the mail in a couple of weeks for him. But check his channel out if you want a clue. But also, he's helping me get some sponsors, like Oktane Garage. He's has in cleaning supplies on some O'Reilly stuff. Thank you so much, Whiskey Dents, from the bottom of my heart. I thank you so much for everything you've done. Also, he's doing a giveaway on a 66 F600 in white. You guys gotta go enter the giveaway. Only $25 per entry. With 500 entries, 300 left. Guys, get in. It's a beautiful truck. Don't want to miss it out. It also has a 73 GMC cab over. Check that out too. So hold on, I need to make sure. I had to make sure it was still recording, but yeah. He also has a 66 crew cab they made a Lomax. Oscar is the green 73 crew cab over. Sorry about that. And let's go check out his brother, Classic Car Revivals. Awesome guy. Without him, I think I wouldn't know really how to revive any vehicle. So thank you so much, Classic Car Revivals, for teaching me. And everybody, want to start YouTube? These guys are the best people. They'll help you with everything. I'm just looking at the fender to his car, and it's pretty good. I think a Swamp Monster here, but yeah, check please. This video is dedicated to you, Whiskey Dents. Also, you get to name this truck. So comment down below what name you want. Also check out OK Speed Shop. He's learning just like me. He has some cool square body. It's also a 56 Chevy. It's a beautiful truck with I don't know what engine, but yeah, he's doing some cool builds. Awesome guy. Like to meet him all one day. Check out 1776 Garage. Awesome guy. He's getting a new project soon. Hopefully, it's I think an 80s Camaro Z. Yeah, awesome. Sadly, no engine or trans, but awesome build. But check out. Now I found out some new guys because of you, Wisconsin. So shout out to you, Greasy Garage. I've been noticing. Yeah, Greasy Garage is doing a bump side Ford, but I don't know what year. But I think it's a bump side Ford. No, it's not. It's not a bump side Ford. It's the year before. But check him out. He helps veterans out. I think he's a veteran himself. So anyone who's a veteran, comment down below. Thank you so much for serving our country. Thank you guys so much. But yeah, check him out. He has some cool cleaning supplies. Hey, Greasy Garage, you want to sponsor any of these videos? Please let me know in the comment section below. But also go and check out Honest Paint and Speed Shop. Honest Paint and Speed Shop, I think it is. Cool video. He's doing some older Fords and stuff, other old cars. That's awesome. Check out Outlaw Edge. He did a street drag racing in Harbor, Michigan, but looks awesome. Subscribe to him. Everybody. Subscribe to everybody. So it's raining. I hope this footage ain't bad. I hope this ain't a bad video, everybody, but I'm gonna give you a quick walk around everything. But yeah, welders in the car. Whoops, but yeah, everybody, if you enjoyed this video, please put a like on it. I'm trying my best to pump these videos. You can see 3 phones, still grinding. But yeah, once again, everybody, anyone has any parts for bump side Fords near central Wisconsin, please let me know in the comment section below. But this has been a good video, a good restoration. I'll see you guys in the next one. Boy, whoa, whoops. Sorry for bad camera work, but couldn't get that in. Yeah. But oh, not that bad in here. But like I see, all painted up. You can see no holes. It's beautiful work I did. 16 years old. Also, anyone wanting to do start stuff, do it. I would love to teach people and learn from people, but beautiful. Yeah, bit welding there. Need new outer rocker panels. So yeah, that stuff needs to dry. Yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and maybe next week for this car. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Peace.